Hey everyone! Adding a table to Framer has become much easier thanks to the native CMS table update. You no longer need to hack together stacks and frames to display structured data. You can now insert, style, and manage tables directly within your rich text fields. Step 1. Access the CMS or rich text field. We are starting with the Content Hub. We do this because tables in Framer are primarily lived within rich text layers, which allow them to be responsive and easy to edit without moving blocks around the canvas. Open your Framer project and navigate to a CMS item or select a rich text layer on your canvas. Double-click the text area to enter editing mode. In the formatting toolbar that appears, click the table icon, usually found next to the link or image icons. Step 2. Define your rows and columns. Now we are moving to structure. We do this to build the skeleton of your data before you start styling. Click the plus buttons on the edges of the table to instantly add rows or columns. Right-click any cell to access advanced options like merging cells, inserting headers, or deleting specific sections. Type your data directly into the cells. The columns will auto-adjust their width to fit the length of your text as you type. Step 3. Style the table UI. We are focusing on visual branding. We do this to ensure your table looks like a premium part of your site rather than a generic spreadsheet. Select the table and go to the CMS Styles panel on the right. Here you can adjust the border radius to make corners rounded, cell padding, and border width. You can set a unique background color for the header row to make it stand out from the body data. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.